All right, welcome back, MTH Nation. Max Jordat coming to you with our first episode of Fresh Trade Tuesday. And just as it states, behind me we have some of our freshest trades that came in over the weekend. I want to show you guys these vehicles first and foremost before anybody else has the opportunity to see these things. Nobody has driven them yet besides our MTH professionals. So these are vehicles that you would have the opportunity to be the very first people in line to check out, drive, love, take home, and be one of yours, right? So this is episode number 1 of many to come, and you're probably wondering why I'm holding this Arizona license plate. Well, the third vehicle and the final vehicle in this lineup happens to hail from Arizona. Actually, Phoenix, Arizona, its whole entire life before coming in to Minnesota Truck Headquarters. It's very clean, and as you can see, there is a wide stack of license registrations here. So it's an older vehicle. You're in for a treat. Tune into the very end, but let's start with the very first one, Pierce. So guys, we have a 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. This truck is set up with a 2-inch leveling kit in the front. It's got color match bushwhacker fender flares to give it a little bit more of an aggressive style. You got the LED pod lights up in the front on both sides, give you a little bit more vision at night. This truck also has brand new 35-inch all-terrain tires on it, wrapped around 20-inch TIS wheels. Very nice setup there. This truck only has 90,000 miles on it, guys, and it's priced at $41,999, which is a really good deal considering the used truck market right now. Only 90,000 miles, set up with all the accessories, very clean, very nice pickup. Now the next one we have, again, this is a fresh trade-in as well. It's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Unlimited means it's got 4 doors. Standard would be just a 2 doors, so the Unlimited is 4 doors, right? It's a Sahara edition, which comes with a lot of different options. This one, as you can see, has been maked over, customized fairly well. You got the Falcon Wild Peak AT 35-inch tires, the 20-inch XD Series wheels. You got the aftermarket fender flares on this particular Jeep. You also have the HD front bumper with the light bar and the pod lights. This one's got an aftermarket grill on it, which I think they call this grill the Vader in the Jeep scene, right? A couple Jeep guys out there might correct me. Maybe they give me the thumbs up saying that's right, the Vader. Also has the halos around the headlights. HD boards down low. You got the bushwhacker sills to help protect from rock chips and stuff like that. Just a really clean Jeep all the way around. Full-size spare in the back, so it's not one of the ones you see where there's custom wheels on a Jeep and then a factory rear tire. Oh, that drives me nuts. This one does have full-size spare in the back, and of course the HD rear bumper and LED tail lights on the rear as well. Set up really nice. Already has the color match hard topper. This particular Jeep has 107,000 miles on it, priced at $32,991. $32,991. Heck of a lot of Jeep for the money. Already set up with over probably $10,000 in accessories if you were to accessorize this brand new. Get it for $32,991 today. Now last, I want to show you this one, guys. I know a lot of people are probably looking at me going, Matt, you're crazy. Why is this such a cool vehicle? It's a Hummer. You know, we're in a gas crisis. Well, fuel prices are coming down finally, right? They're finally coming down. They're getting a little bit more manageable for everybody. And this Hummer behind me is the creme de la creme of Hummers. It's an H2 SUT, which you're probably wondering what the SUT stands for. It stands for Sport Utility Truck. So Hummer made these. They didn't make a lot of them, but they made them, right? They made them. So you get a nice little pickup space in the back if you want to haul miscellaneous goods, stuff like that. You got a full crew cab. Being a Hummer, this was an MSRP of $60,000 to $70,000 when it was brand new. Back in 2005, which again, this is a 2005 model, that was a lot of money. I mean, a full-size diesel truck went for $50,000 back then. So with this, you're going to get one-touch windows all the way around. You got the air ride. You got basically everything. This is a 2-owner Hummer. The last owner owned it for 15 years. Again, Arizona, its whole entire existence. No rust, only 70,000 miles. Yes, that's right, 70,000 miles. We just went through it. We're going to service it. We're going to clean it up. Brand new tires. We're going to do something with some work on the air conditioning system. There's a few other attributes with this particular truck we're going to do, but pretty much all in all, it's very clean, very nice Hummer. So again, guys, them are 3 fresh trades that we received over the weekend. We have a ton more that came in over the weekend, over 20 vehicles total. I just wanted to hand select, and I just went, you know what, we're going to do all white ones today. So we picked all the white vehicles that were up, but we got a ton of trade-ins. We got Equinoxes, we got mid-size SUVs, we got a bunch of Ford Edges and Ford Explorers that came in. We got a ton of SUVs that are coming out of our ears right now, guys. So come on in if you want a great deal. It's more than just trucks at Minnesota Truck Headquarters. Cars, vans, SUVs, sedans. Give us a call, 320-230-6064, up on the hill where we're at today, or go to www.yourmth.com to see all 600 of our vehicles. We'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.